the settlement. Settlement means from internal order to cost center. We can settle to the asset also. We can settle to the GL also. We can settle to the material also. We can settle to the WBS element also. We can settle to anywhere. ఇక్కడ నుంచి అక్కడికి ఎక్కడికైనా పంపించుకోవచ్చు. So we can settle to anywhere. Okay. But in our case, I am settling from internal order to the cost center. Okay. So fine. So what is the T code? You have to remember this T codes, end user T codes. 100% you have to remember. Otherwise, you cannot success in the project. I am not talking about interview. Interview is not my priority. Interview is just a stepping. That's it. So if you want to success in the project after getting a job, we should know all these things. Okay. So KO 88. Let's go to KO 88. Order. Which period? First period only. We are in India. So India first period is April. We are in April. May, right? May is second period. We are in May. May will be second period. Agreed? In India, May is the second period. April is the first period. Okay. So if you want to see the values, any errors kind of thing, keep the test run and click on this execute button. So click this table symbol, detail list. So there is no errors. If any errors now, you cannot see these values. You can see the error only. Okay. Now we are good. It is saying that cost sender is order, receiver is cost center. This is the values. Okay, no problem. I'll go back. Once again, go back. So click on remove the test run. Click on execute button. Go to detailed list. A number. Okay, click on accounting document. See, the number is generated. In this number, it's a CO number. Automatically it is saying who is the sender, who is the receiver. Okay, sender will be minus, receiver will be plus. He is sending, so minus, going out. Receiver is cost center, coming inside, so plus. So here there is nothing like debit and credit, plus and minus, that's it in CO. Now what we have to do, KOB1 is my internal order report. I'll open my report. Value is 0. Next one, KSB1. Where is KS? KSB1. This is my cost center report. 1040 is my one sales cost center. Another sales cost center is 2040. Okay. Execute. Okay. So here one more. So this is my values. So it's coming, see, it's coming through internal order settlement. We have done allocation structure, if you remember, in the settlement configurations in CO. In internal order settlement configurations we have done. What did we do? Where did we do? We have done here. Based on this setup, it is settling. The cost is coming through internal order settlement cost element. Okay. So ideally, the cost process wise, ideally what happens? It is settling. Okay. And finally, I don't want to use this internal order once again because the event is completed. If I want to use, I'll create new event. So now what to do? Go to CO KO01, change KO01. This is to change.